In line 9, we're changing the working directory, and in line 11, we're importing the Excel file into the working environment in Stata. And then 13 up to 19, we are just doing some processing, just to do some conversions, like in particular to change the string format into numeric format with recording sex 1 male and 2 female, instead of just having the strings male and female. All right, this one I can show you the data set that we are importing is this one in Excel. So we'll import, we'll put for the customers, day 1, day 2, we'll go their sex, age, and bill, day 3, and day 4, up to day 5, which is Friday. So there is the weekly data. Okay, so if we run this one, then we'll see that we have run. Yeah, we've run. So if we see, if we go now, let's see, if we go into the data editor, we'll see that this is the data set that we have run. We have exported, we have imported from Excel into Stata. Now let's go proceed with our objective today. We want now to export the tables. Okay, let us export the first table, and then from 31 we export the second table. Okay, so the first table, the Putexcel in line 25, Putexcel set. This one, what we're doing is we are creating a new file, an Excel workbook file, and then with a sheet named table exports. And then in this one, we can, each time we are running this do file, this file will be replaced. If we put modify, it will be modified. Okay, so line 27, we create a collection of the table day and sex. And then in 28, we put in A1, Putexcel A1, in cell A1 of the Excel, we'll put the string or the text examples of the table exports, or like the header of the table. And then in 29, that's where now we assign that correction table that we have here in the memory into A3. So the upper left corner of this table will be in A3. We call it the UL cell. All right, let me run. So if I run, if I go here, I'll see that we've run. What we've seen is that this is the table that we've made. So this will go into cell A3 when we put Excel. This one we've created the file, and then this one we have posted the table. So the correction table posted to what? Putexcel. Let us see what we have done in the file. So if we go into the file, this is the file is here. Here, this one. So if we see, this is the one. This is one. I've opened, not the correct one. This is not 3 but 1. Okay, so it's this one. Yeah, so if we put here maybe A22, we'll see that this is the file, this is the table that we have exported, and then the upper left corner has entered here on A3. Okay, let us see if we wanted to add in some other tables, and they will see that this one is named table exports. Okay, you can open another sheet here, or you can put in the same sheet another table. If maybe wanted to open another table, then okay, let's go here. Then we can just do this one up to here, and then copy this command and then put it here, so that we open another one here. Okay, so I can paste here, then we put this one as table exports. This was table exports, table exports. So that's 2. Let me put 2. Then here we cannot put replace now, it will not work because this is the same file, so we must put modify. Alright, so this one, what we're doing is we are running the regression, and then this regression we can see the what we've run there as a return list, and then we can make a correction of the table, and when we put command, then we can put the command there. So this is the command which we were seeing there. This command, which is the regress bill, that the same command we had there. Then we prefix here with the colon the ones we want to report. If we just had maybe number of observations, the f value, and root mean square, then it would only show these 3. But if we got also these ones, the coefficients, the standard error, confidence interval, p values, then these ones are reported in this table. So you can choose which ones to be reported. Okay, and then they put this one now Excel, which we had above there. Now we've just changed the sheet to put it as export 2 and then modify. So this time it's modify because the file is already active, so we can't replace it. It means the above part will be removed. Okay, so let us run, and then now in F14, instead of F14, because last time I put them in the same tab, I mean sheet, but now because it's a different sheet, we can also put the heading there. So copy, we put there another heading, or can it be here, so you see there, enter. Then we put, you see this one up to here, Putexcel, enter. Okay, but here it doesn't matter, even if you don't have, we can just enter here and then delete here. All right, so this one is A1, and then this one we can put also in A3, no problem, because it will be not this one now is another sheet, sheet 2 exports 2. All right, so if we, let me save. So if we run from here up to here, up to the end, let us run. So what we've done is, oh, it's already open. Okay, so make sure when we are running this one, it should not be open, because I was showing you that we've already this one, so it must be closed. All right, whether you save it or not, it does not matter. Okay, let us just run again. So now to run, if we go here, yes, so it has now run. So you can see that this one, what we've done is the table, when we run this one, we have got this one, the regression, we have got these things. So if we compile a table like this now, correct, and then these ones that we've chosen in prefix here in this command, they're the ones which will be shown in this table down here. See, so this table, we can upload it into there. Let us see into that cell. If we go there now and open it again, you see that now, you see that now you have got, let me put 12, 22. Okay, so you see that we have got this file, the first one, and then we have got the second, this one which has come here as table export 2. This one also I can put also size 22, and then you can see that this export table has come here. So that's how we export the whole tables. So we have got this one, the table, the first sheet, and then the other sheet here. Yeah, hello guys. So remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to share and also click like. Next time we'll cover the objectives 2 and 3. Okay, because in this video we've only covered the first objective. So the objective 2 and 3, where we can export the entire table, like the chart or the line graph or the bar graph or whatever, or also when we can select just the results of interest, like the coefficients, the p-values, the f values or whatever, the ones that the ANOVA results or the coefficients table results. You can just select the ones which we want from those tables instead of exporting the whole table, but just select some other things and then import them in the format we want. That will be objective number 3. Yeah. Goodbye.